We go to bed, good night.
Last day in the camp. Maybe we go outside.
Won't the team leader catch us?
Let's try.
Oh no, there is someone coming.
So, this is Sasha.
Hello, what are you doing here?
We are going to the walk, but it's a secret.
Oh, I'm going to the same way.
Let's go together.
I would like to be in the sea right now.
Yeah, I would like to be in the camp at Yevpatoria.
Oh, the star is fallen. I'd like to be in Africa right now.
Let's imagine.
Guys, I don't think we're in the camp anymore. We are in the Africa.
Cool.
No!
Matvey, say it's cool.
Good morning! Let's go find help.
We come in peace.
We're from the camp.
We are welcome. We tried off Turkey, we live in Africa, and what do you need here?
We came by accident. The star fell.
And we are here.
Do you know how we can go back?
I'm afraid we are not.
I know! There is a ritual. To do this, you can collect a special ingredients.
Do you know how to get them?
Yes, we know.
Do you help us?
No!
We will help you if we understand that you are worth it. How do we do this? You must fight the strongest of us.
Be stronger than me.
Be faster than me. Be smarter than me.
Okay, we can give you the first ingredient.
Thank you.
The next task is very difficult. You need to answer the question of our wise man.
We can handle it.
When you buy it, it's black. When you use it, it's red. When it's used, it's white.
Call!
When you walk both through the air and on the ground at the same time.
That's hard.
Got it. This is the air corridor.
To the pool in the camp.
A place where if you don't control yourself, you'll learn about one of the deadly sins.
I got it! Canteen!
People from the camp are geniuses.
The most difficult test remains.
Oh no! No one cope us. The guys from the camp will definitely cope.
This is the scent of temptation. You need to get the last ingredient from the bottom.
And what is the difficulty? You will come across the things that you want the most, but you don't have to take them. You have to move on to the goal.
Let's try.
No, let's go.
Whoa, this is phone. No, we need the last ingredient.
Yes, we found it!
You did it. You did it very well, and it's time to go to the camp. Let's mix ingredients together. Are you ready?
No, wait. You have already become a part of our tribe. We will draw the symbols on you, a sign of acceptance into the family.
Goodbye, study people!
Don't you think we dreamed it?
You know. I think yes.